Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Challenger headlights. First, park your car on a level surface about 25 feet from a wall. Turn on your low beams. You'll find the vertical and horizontal adjustment screws on the headlight assembly, usually accessible from under the hood. These allow you to precisely aim your lights for optimal visibility and safety, ensuring you don't blind oncoming drivers. For vertical adjustment, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight. Transfer this measurement to the wall, then subtract 2 inches to create your target line. This slight drop ensures your low beams illuminate the road effectively without shining into the eyes of other drivers. Turn the vertical adjustment screw until the top edge of your headlight beam aligns with this lower mark on the wall. Next, let's tackle horizontal adjustment. Find the center line of your vehicle and mark it on the wall. Each headlight beam should have a distinct hot spot. Adjust the horizontal screw so that the brightest part of each beam is directly in front of its respective headlight, slightly to the right of the vehicle's center line. This prevents your lights from crossing over or shining too far to one side. After making your adjustments, take your Challenger for a short drive to confirm the headlights are correctly aimed and provide excellent visibility. Double-check both low and high beams to ensure they work in harmony. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe night driving. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.